Okay, good day and welcome to my first video tutorial upload on YouTube. And here's for today's topic will be data compression in with the LambdaShift 77 method. And here we try to compress MISWISH in the ternary code. First, we change the string of character MISWISH into ASCII decimal code, and the decimal code for the MISWISH will be for M is 77, for I will be 73, and the S will be 83, space will be 32, and W will be 87. And from the decimal code, we will transform it into ternary code. Here, for example, we use M that will have 77 as the decimal code in the value, and from 77 we will divide it by 3 and we get 25 as an absolute value and 2 as the leftover value, and after that we divide it again by 3 and we get 8 as an absolute value and 1 as an leftover value, and after that the 8 value will be divided again and it will be produce 2 here as a absolute value and 2 here as the leftover value, and we did not divide it the 2 here with 3 once again because it will be produce 0 as a absolute value. Okay, I already made table here for the conversion from decimal code into ternary code. And here the MISWISH in ternary code will be like this, and it has 46 ternary bytes, and we use this value to create table on the LG77 encoding. We divided the 46 here by 2 and we get 23 column for the first table, and this table and our second table, it's the column will be depend on us. So I decided to use 12 column for the second table, and here are the character in width to be read by the compression method, and here are the output table. So let me start the encoding. Here on the 12th column on the second table, we take the value from the ternary code here as long as 12, so it's around here, and we put it on the second table first. Here you have 221222011000, and because there are no value in the first table here, the output will be 0, 0 and 2. 2 here means that this one is the first number read by the compression, and 0 is this in the output here, means that there are no similarity in the first and second table, and 0 here if there are similarity between first table here and the second table here. This will tell the length of the similarity. Okay, after that we down to the second. Here the value here will be put in the first column of the second table, and the value here will be put in the first column of the second table. Because we have similarity here on the first table on first column and the second table on the first column, then we will put 1. It represents the column number on the first table, and then the length of the similarity, because there are only 1 here, so it will be 1, and 1 here is the value or the number or the code after the similarity. So after that, the 1 here will be put in the first table, and the rest here will be put on the second column and the third column. Okay, here on the first table there are similarity compared to the second table. The similarity will be on column 3, start from column 3 in the first table, and the length will be 2, and the code or the value after the similarity will be 2, and so on and so on until the character is ended in here. In this table I highlight the similarity found in the column 18 on the first table start with 0, and it has 9 character similarity length. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and also here from 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are differences here, I don't know. Let's see. This 0, 0, 2. Actually it's not. So it's started 0, 0, 0, 0, 2. This one, but this one here it's 3. Sorry, so I made a mistake here. 0, 0. So that will be 8, and this one will be 2. So after that, 2 here will be put in here, and the final output of the encoding process will be 002 111 322 000 511 310 510 512 1110 551 980 1820 2122 1922 1921 and then 1882. Okay, after that we continue to decoding the final output. For the first input will be 002. It means that there are no similarity. Because of there are no similarity, the length will be 0 also, and the number here that must be put on the first column will be 2. And here we found that there are similarity, and the last number will be 1, so we put it 1 into the first column, and then after that, because the length is 1 and the table is 1, table column number is 1, we take it to here and take it to here, and then after that to here, put it on the third column because this one is the similarity. And after that, for the input, next input will be 3, 2, 2. It means that there are similarity from table 3, from column 3 I mean, sorry, and then the length will be 2 and the last number will be 2, so 2 we must put it in first, and then from table 3 above we get 2 and the length will be 2, so we take this 2 number and put it in front of the first column here, and then after that we copied the value from the table above into this column, and we do it until the input n, and you see here it's only a part of it, but it represents the encoding and decoding. And I think that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope this video tutorial will be useful, and thank you and goodbye.